Today, I bring you a PPF Factory's Patek Philippe Nautilus 5712 Nautilus 5712 with a caliber 240 integrated movement. Its original mold. The entire movement has no screws or gears, and it's a real monolithic movement without any gears. All the functions on the dial are all real and usable. This is the power display, moon phase and calendar, and the second hand for normal time reading. These functions are all real and usable. In the previous versions, no matter which factory, the 571 they made, the power display was not truly available. It was running with the time. Now, it is a real power display. The size and other aspects are the same. Let's measure its size first. The expensive silver caliper. Let's measure the diameter first. The diameter is 40 millimeters. And thickness is 9.0. These are all the same because its movement is made by original mold. It's an integrated movement, so its size and functional operations are the same. It has a real power display. Is when we win the watch. Let me show you. When we turn the sliding strip, the power display will light up. It has a real power display, including the adjustment method is the same. And this hole here. Yes. This hole is for adjusting the moon phase, and this hole is for adjusting the calendar. For a multifunctional and complex watch like this, when adjusting the moon phase and calendar, you must pay attention. For all mechanical watches, regardless of their price, the hour hand, pay attention to the hour hand should not point to the 9 to 3 o'clock range, because in this range, it belongs to the automatic calendar jumping range and cannot be manually intervened because it jumps automatically. If we manually interfere with it, it's easy to get stuck. Or the moon phase or the calendar. Make sure the hour hand is below 3 o'clock and below 9 o'clock, then adjust it. No matter how you adjust it, it won't break and it won't get stuck. Use a toothpick. You can use anything, just push it in this position. Look at this. Look at this moon phase. This moon phase rotates once a month. It moves 1 grid a day. It bounces back. The hole here is to adjust the calendar. The calendar is a pointer type. Press it to adjust it. All functions are real and usable. The most authentic Nautilus 571 at present. It's a monolithic movement. Has eliminated the previous version. In the previous version, the position of the balance wheel of the movement was wrong. The position of the balance screw is. The previous version, the position of the balance wheel is not here. It's here. It was either left or right. Now, the integrated movement. All the structures are the same. Then look at the hole. Its workmanship details and the wire drawing and polishing process are very delicate. It's very shiny under the refraction of light. Let's take a closer look at the details. The polishing of the entire pointer, the zero adjustment scale, is very bright. There are no burrs or edges. Including the calendar disc. The small calendar disc, the number 1, is red. These details are all there. The small numbers on it. The dragon tooth engraving. Clear, 3-dimensional and layered. All the details of the original are done. Wow, the details are quite in place. Then the head, Patek Philippe logo. The blue one is the blue film which can be removed. Including the strap, the brushed and polished, it has a film on it. Yes. Let's focus on the movement. It's a Bolex integrated movement. The polishing process of the entire movement is very beautiful. It's the most accurate movement. It's a pearl head movement. The logo on the buckle are also engraved very deeply and very clear. It's not laser engraved, it's engraved very deeply like a moth-eaten tooth. The inside of the button is the same. Playing with this 571. The best, you should choose the PPF Factory. This is the V2 version of the PPF Factory. The only version. It also shows the power. It's not the real movement. It also follows the time. Now the V2 version. It is a fully aligned one-piece machine. This watch is good. The only drawback is out of stock. Because when it first came out, when the all-in-one watch was first released, there was a requirement to buy 2. You had to buy two. You had to buy two. ZF Submariner. To get one of this, that would cost nearly 10,000 yuan. Now, although JF Submariner is sold out, no need to match goods, but now its price is not low. It's more expensive than the regular Nautilus, the Big Mountain Nautilus. It's almost 10,000 yuan more expensive. The watch is good, but it's hard to find. The CD is quite good. Let's take a look at its wearing effect. Let's take a look at its wearing effect. It's really beautiful. The entire dial looks quite complicated. Let's look at the luminous effect. The whole dial looks like ice blue grain. The luminous effect is very beautiful. Finally, let's take a look at the timekeeping data. It's perfect. The daily error is about 5 seconds. The parameters are the same as the original. Is the same as the original one, 216,000. It's perfect. For the top tier, choose this PPF Factory's 241-piece movement. Okay, that's all for this video. See you next time.